What if I told you there are ways to earn hundreds of dollars every week without leaving your house? And most people don't even know about them. In 2025, online income isn't just for tech experts or big companies. Ordinary people, just like you, are using clever and often overlooked methods to earn real money online. Some require skill, others just need your time and attention. But all of them can grow into steady income streams if you know how to start. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll know 10 unique ways to make money online that most people never hear about. And you'll be ready to take action immediately. 10 niche freelancing platforms. Everyone knows about Upwork or Fiverr, but few people realize that there are specialized freelance platforms where clients pay more for specific skills. For example, platforms exist just for voiceovers, design mockups, or coding small apps. The benefit of these niche platforms is that the competition is smaller and the clients are serious about paying well. Instead of competing with thousands of general freelancers, you find projects tailored to your exact skill set. Even if you don't consider yourself an expert, small tasks like proofreading, logo design, or script formatting can earn you $20 to $100 per project. If you build a good reputation, you can start getting repeat clients, which turns into a reliable online income. Sign up on 2 specialized platforms this week and browse projects that fit your skills. Even a few small wins will show you the potential. 9. Selling digital resources. Digital products are items people can download or use online, like templates, planners, stock photos, or guides. Unlike physical products, digital resources don't require shipping or inventory, so the profit margins are high. For example, teachers, marketers, and small business owners are constantly looking for ready-made resources. If you can create simple guides, design templates, or useful graphics, you can sell them repeatedly on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. This method works well because once the product is ready, it can sell over and over with minimal effort. You don't need a large audience to start. Even a few sales a week can quickly add up. Think of one skill or hobby you have. Can it be turned into a digital template, checklist, or guide? Start creating one small product today. Wait, online tutoring and microcourses. Teaching online is not new, but microcourses are a newer way to earn money. Instead of creating a full semester-long course, you can make short, focused lessons on a single topic. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare allow you to reach students worldwide. The advantage is that you can monetize your knowledge quickly, even if you are not a professional teacher. For instance, teaching a 30-minute tutorial on Excel shortcuts or Photoshop tricks can earn money repeatedly without additional effort. This approach works best if you focus on practical, niche skills that people want to learn fast. Think about problems you've solved in your own life. Others will pay to learn the same solutions. Identify a problem you can solve for others and record a short video tutorial. Post it on a course platform and start earning while you sleep. 7. Affiliate marketing without a blog. Affiliate marketing usually makes people think they need a big blog or website, but in 2025, you can do it without one. Social media, email newsletters, and even messaging apps can be used to share affiliate links. The key is to provide value instead of just posting links. For example, you can create short videos showing a product in action, write honest reviews, or share tips that include affiliate recommendations. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, sometimes up to 50% of the product price. The beauty of this method is that you don't need your own product. You are helping people find solutions and getting paid for it. Pick one product you already use and love. Make a short video or post explaining how it helps and include your affiliate link. Track the results and adjust. 6. Selling AI-generated content. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's an income opportunity. You can create images, writing, music, or even simple programs using AI tools and sell them online. For instance, businesses often need social media graphics or blog content. You can use AI to generate these resources quickly, customize them, and sell them on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Some creators even sell AI-generated prompts, templates, and digital art packs. The advantage is speed. AI allows you to produce high-quality work in minutes instead of hours. But success depends on learning how to guide the AI effectively to create valuable output. Experiment with one AI tool this week to create content you could sell. Even a single sale proves the potential of this approach. 5. Microtask platforms. Microtask platforms pay for small online jobs, like categorizing images, testing apps, or transcribing short audio clips. The pay is small per task, but you can complete many in a day. And some platforms pay surprisingly well. Sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Appen, and Clickworker offer hundreds of tasks daily. The benefit is that there's no long-term commitment and you can start immediately. Some workers combine multiple platforms to create a full-time side income. This method works best if you are consistent. Completing tasks quickly and accurately builds trust and unlocks higher-paying opportunities. Sign up on one micro-task platform today and complete at least 5 tasks to understand the workflow. 4. Selling niche knowledge on social media. If you have expertise in any area, fitness, gaming, language learning, or productivity, you can monetize it directly on social media. Short videos, tutorials, or even tips shared consistently can attract followers who are willing to pay for premium content. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts allow creators to reach millions without a large starting audience. The key is focusing on one niche and being consistent. Once you have a loyal audience, you can offer paid courses, coaching, or exclusive resources. Even small creators earn $50 to $200 per month from memberships at first, which can grow over time. Pick your niche and start posting one helpful tip or tutorial every day for a week. Monitor engagement and see which content people respond to most. 3. Reselling digital goods. Digital reselling is becoming more popular. This involves buying digital products at a low cost and selling them for a profit. Examples include stock images, fonts, icons, or software templates. Some creators package these items into bundles and sell them on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Others focus on a single type of product and build a reputation for quality. This method works because digital products never run out. And once you find a supplier, the workflow can be automated. Many people make $500 to $1,000 per month part-time using this approach. Find one source of digital goods, purchase a bundle, and start reselling one item per week. Track your sales and adjust pricing. 2. Memberships and subscription services. Subscriptions are one of the most reliable ways to earn online. People pay monthly for exclusive content, communities, or tools. You can create memberships for almost anything. Tips, guides, templates, or a learning community. Platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, and Substack make it simple to set up recurring income. Even a small group of 50 subscribers paying $10 per month gives you $500 monthly. The secret is consistency. Providing value regularly and creating a sense of community keeps subscribers paying month after month. Choose a niche where you have expertise. Set up a subscription platform and offer exclusive weekly content for your first 10 subscribers. 1. Building small, automated online businesses. The most powerful online method is building small, automated businesses. These could be drop shipping stores, print-on-demand shops, or even niche service websites. The goal is creating systems that run with minimal day-to-day work. Automation tools and AI make this easier than ever. For example, you can set up a print-on-demand store where designs are uploaded once, and the platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service. The benefit is scaling. Once the system works, you can replicate it in different niches, multiplying your income without multiplying your effort. Identify one product or service you can automate. Start small, test the market, and optimize your workflow before scaling. Today, we explored 10 real ways to make money online that most people don't know about, from niche freelancing to small automated businesses. Each method is actionable, and you can start with minimal investment. If you take just one of these methods and apply it consistently, you'll see results. The important part is starting today, even with small steps. Online income isn't about luck. It's about knowing where to focus your effort. Remember, real online money comes from action, not wishful thinking. Pick one idea, start testing it, and build momentum. Your first $500 could come sooner than you expect. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real online earning tips. Also, comment below which method you plan to try first. I'd love to hear about your journey.